Hi everybody, it's Cindy at Upcycled Design Lab. I hope you're not tired of my trashy house tours because I have another one for you. As you know, St. Patrick's Day is on the horizon, so I have some trashy St. Patrick's Day decorations to show you today. I'll be putting links in the comments to all of the projects as I post the tutorials for them, and I hope you'll consider subscribing and checking out my blog at www.upcycleddesignlab.com. Alright, happy upcycling, and let's get on with this mini house tour. Alright, so this is my first project. It's made out of a cookie sheet that I spray painted gold, and then the letters are cut out of tin can lids and painted with some green paint and a white paint with stencil. And the shamrock shapes are also cut out of tin can lid. And the whole thing is just held together with some the message is held together with some magnets. You probably recognize this from my Valentine's Day tour. I did a similar project with pink and heart shapes, and I will link to that tutorial in the corner of this video and also in the comments of the video. This next project is also a carryover from Valentine's Day. I call it my Puffy Frame. It's made with plastic bags and some scrap cardboard. And I'll link to this tutorial as well. For St. Patrick's Day, I just replaced my heart with a 4-leaf clover that's made out of some scrap cardboard, book paper, a little bit of green paint, some split peas, and my favorite white gel pen. This next project is a new project, and I'll be putting the tutorial up for that in the next couple of days. So stay tuned for that. This is my St. Patrick's Day bouquet, and it's made from mostly plastic bags. So the shamrocks are made from green plastic bags. The little white flowers are the white grocery bags. And then the little ball shapes are made from some marbles and some split peas. And the bouquet is actually just displayed in an empty pasta bottle that I spray painted with some gold paint and filled with some more green peas. So like I said, I'll be putting that tutorial up in the coming days, so stay tuned for that. So here's a quick look at the display here in my dining room. And now we're going to move on to the mantel display. Alright, so here's the beginning of my mantel display, and I knew I didn't want to use a lot of green because my wall is green, so I kind of stuck with the cream and the gold colors. And this whiskey bottle and this beer mug were actually the inspiration for the whole display. So I just decorated them a little bit with some twine and some gold spray paint and then some split peas, sort of to represent, you know, the green beer and some whiskey. And then I had this canvas, so my saying is whiskey, beer, and shenanigans. So the first part is an old canvas that I had in my Goodwill pile, and I just covered it with some book paper and some spray paint to make the first part of my saying. The little "and" part of it is in a CD case with more book paper and some scrap cardboard. And I also had this frame in my Goodwill pile. It's a little bit hard to see with the light from my window, but I spray painted the frame gold and put the gold lettering with shenanigans on it. For one last little knick-knack, I decorated this candle with some split peas on the bottom and then made this candle stand out of a tin can lid and some marbles and some more gold spray paint. And the last item is just this simple little shamrock garland made out of some book paper, twine, and a split pea. So these are all new projects that I will be posting tutorials to as well in the coming weeks. I hope you'll check back. And if you're interested, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Check the bell icon so you get notifications when I put up new videos, and you can also check out my blog at www.upcycleddesignlab.com.